F'temp mill-isbaħ il-Ħadd filgħodu, Eluf ipparteċipaw fil-35 edizzjoni tal-Maratona ta' Malta. F'din il-maratona kien hemm 3 kategoriji, dawk li ġrew 42 kilometru, dawk li għamlu n-nofs maratona, jiġifieri ġrew 21 kilometru, u dawk li mxew l-istess rotta tan-nofs maratona. Kru ta' One News niżel ix-Xatt ta' Tas-Sliema fejn intemmet il-maratona. Fost il-parteċipanti kien hemm Ingliż li jagħmel in-nofs maratona proprju f'jum eluq sninu.
My birthday today and I'm 72 years old. This is the 8th marathon I've done, but it was absolutely brilliant. Downhill, lovely scenery, absolutely fantastic place. I love this island.
Tul it-toroq ta' pajjiżna Iddominat il-preżenza ta' barranin li ġew Malta post tal-maratona li l-kol kellhom kliem ta' tifħir għal gżiritna.
Malta, really great country. You know, lots of work being done. You know, the people here are really friendly.
Malta's a great country. I haven't explored much of it, but the people that we've encountered have been unbelievably friendly.
Lovely, yeah. I've only been here 2 days, but it's really nice. Lovely weather. What more could you ask for?
It's very amazing. Organization is very positive. The route is very beautiful. So many places. I will be back next year.
Malta is great. It's a great island, great people. Yeah, and Gozo also.
Mal-parteċipanti barranin kien hemm ukoll Zek u Ibrahim li jagħmlu din il-maratona ta' bla ħsieb, tant li applikaw għaliha fl-aħħar minuta.
Kienet ħaġa li inventajna l-biera prattikament. Għandna 2 applikajna l-biera u għadna mhux xorta nipprovaw.
Esperienza ġennu għamilniha.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.